Hi, welcome to the Foolish Kitchen. It's another video of Beat the Clock. Let's see if we can get this done before we run out of battery. I know I'm always saying, put mineral oil on things after you wash them. Wipe them off before you use them. And that's what keeps, now that you've gotten things de-rusted. And then I found myself not listening to my own advice because, you say, oh, I'll do it later. I'll put it to dry and I'll come back to it later. Well, flash rust doesn't take any prisoners. Basically, you've got to lubricate the bare parts have got to be lubricated, period. Otherwise, you're just going to have to be digging rust off things forever. So, especially these little freaking widgets with all the little nooks and crannies and sharp edges, and these two pieces, which are not food safe because of the lead soldering. They're still decorative pieces, so now that I've gotten the rust off of them, they're gonna. this morning, and it's creeping back. It's gonna keep coming back. Obviously, these pieces really should be hit with a poly coating. Basically, just stop that because you can't eat off of them. It doesn't matter. Just hit them with a Rust-Oleum satin gloss, and we're done. Or turn it into a lamp. Turn it into a nice candle thing. However, the rust is just gonna keep coming back. So. Mineral oil. You can just keep doing this forever. This is hours of work. Nobody freaking wants to do that. Okay. Pump sprayer. You can use any pump sprayer you want. Get it from the dollar store, the kind that you use for misting yourself, whatever. I just happened to reuse the bottle that came from the non-aerosolized cooking spray, because I figure that the mechanism inside will last longer and is designed to be used with oil. So it was pricey for the bottle, but I'm going to reuse the bottle because now it's full of mineral oil. The mineral oil is clear. I think the bottle is slightly yellow because that's it. So now my hands are greasy. I can't get the, oh, there's the pump. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. Basically, don't put mineral oil in the oven. Basically, once you start cooking something that has mineral oil on it with no food, basically, it's not pretty. It's not a food lubricant. It's just, it's food safe, but you don't lubricate a pie plate. Anyways, after these are taken off the, wherever you warm, they're drying. Only take up a minute to dry. They don't really need to stay out that long. Do that. And oh, we're supposed to mist. What's going on with you? Anyways, you don't even need the brown paper. Just do it over the sink. And then let them dry. I keep saying what. Say what again. We used to keep them, like the greasy frying pan, in a brown paper bag. The traditional thick brown paper bags, double them up if you need to. But you can, now that this is, lubricated, wrap them in a paper towel, put them in a plastic bag. Whatever you need to do. But with the lubricant on the bare spots, they won't rust. And the same thing with this. I should get one with a mist attachment. And it doesn't matter. I'll just get one from the dollar store. But this will, because obviously rubbing into all of these punctures is not going to cut it. So, and the same thing with this little buddy here. It's got all of these crevices where things hide. So I'm going to let those dry, and then I'm going to wrap them up and give them away. So, anyways, there is always time for lube, as they say. Yeah, definitely we want one that mists. But anyways, it's that way you don't have to keep going to the bottle. You don't have to pump spray on the counter. Just have that. Thank you for watching.